winds are very strong. So once when he has spotted by radar. It's nice. It is really bad. The wind. I think they said the wind shear is very high tonight. That alarm's much louder tonight. That's a very loud alarm right there. I haven't heard an alarm that loud in a long time. Once again, tornado warning until 12 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Uh-oh.
It be coming from the west. This way. It said that the storm was 7 miles west of Collinsville, moving towards Meridian NAS. Well, Collinsville's north of us. I do too.
What's that rolling?
Let me pull up the radar. Here's the radar right here. But yeah, we are under a tornado warning until 12:15. I mean, midnight. There's storms right there.
It's not.
Yeah, it's not even on us yet. Here it comes right now. It's not on us yet. Let's pull up the looping radar. That is loud. They are blasting that siren. Do you hear them peaking it? Hear that? Moving at 60 miles per hour. Once you see the tornado, it's too late. 60 mile per hour movement is very fast. That's a very fast moving. Again, we are under a tornado warning until midnight. Yeah, boy, they're really peaking. They're really making that thing loud. Rain and wind. Wow, look at this.
Here it is. Here's that line, David.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Here's that line.
Oh, that's it. Yeah.